Hey guys, I got myself a second new Toshiba microwave. Reason why is because this is this year's model, which is the 1350 watt version. The other one was a 1250 watt version. They're both 1.6 cubic feet, which is very large. You can put a lot of stuff in it, but this one is stainless steel and matches my other appliances, which I really like. I like the fact that it's stainless steel, it's easier to clean, and it's not as dark as that dark one. So cooking about the same. The sensor is really awesome. All I've been using for is popcorn and reheating. So using the sensor button and the defrosting button is pretty much all automatic, and it cooks really well. There's no guesswork here. You just basically put the thing in there, hit the reheat button, and it does it all by itself. Anyways, I really do like the look of the stainless steel over the black one. So this is go to my parents who need a new microwave.